Hello, Jim Tech goes new video, and we've got this S Star Max from Soul, new Bluetooth speaker just recently announced, and here is what you're going to get. You're going to get Bluetooth 5.0, IP66 waterproof and dustproof, up to 15 hours playtime, 20 watts, LED mood lights, wireless stereo mode, USB fast charge, and convenient and portable. And on the back then, we'll bring that in, so you want to have a read of that, you can pause it. And we're going to be going through everything anyway, so you've got all that there. Again on the front, and powerful waterproof wireless speaker, so you can bring it anywhere, which is cool. So you have it out your backyard, bring it to the beach or wherever you're going, picnics, all that kind of jazz, camping. Handy to have. And here is everything that's on it, which we'll be looking at anyway. So you've got a lot going on there. Anything of importance there, so your IP66 is important. It's Soul signature sound, Bluetooth 5.0. Bluetooth range is 10 meters as well, 20 watts output, and supports SD card, aux-in and USB drive ports. It's pretty nice, so let's take it out and have a gander. So in the box we're going to get your booklets. Like so, you're going to get your stickers, more booklets, your USB-A to USB-C, your Soul Carabiner, which is branded, and you will also get your 3.5mm cables. Jacks there, so you've all that inside. Now, here we go. So everything is up here on the front, the buttons. You've got your port here, which has got SD card, USB-C, 3.5mm and USB-A. So there you go, a lot there to look at. You can see the buttons there on the front, they're all dark. You have a mood light there, and you've got the rest in there, which will be demonstrating it anyway. You can see on the sides then you've got the Soul branding there. These guys be pumping in and out when the tunes are going. Same there. There's a little step on the end of each side, so whichever way you may want to put it, it's up to yourself. It doesn't appear to be one that you can lay flat, but I'm sure you can if you want. Just leave it like that. And all buttons up front, so you can pop it either way, whatever way suits. And I'm sure if you want, if you like to have your speakers this angle, you can. You can actually see the speaker system in behind it with the light. I can from here anyway. So we'll get it paired up and let's listen to what it sounds like. Hello, it's Jim. We're back with the new Soul S Star Max speaker, and so we said we'll wait till it gets a bit dark to give you a look at the lighting effects on the side. So we're going to power it on, and the buttons are on the front there as you would have seen, but we'll have some close-up images later on. So let's have a look at it powering up.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Pairing mode. Connected.
So as you can see, we are connected to our phone, and this is what the lighting effects look like, which is pretty cool. You can turn them off as well if you want. You don't have to have them on, it's up to yourself, but I think it just gives a better effect wherever you might have it sat, you know, up to yourself. You can see the lights are pretty decent as well, so it's nice to see. So let's listen to music. That's what the end product is here, I suppose, for most people, but again, you get the ability of the features of this. You have good battery life, you have got portability factor IP66 rated, which is good, so it's dust and waterproof, so you can bring it anywhere with you. And you can pair up speakers as well. There's a pair them button on it there in the middle, and that's pretty much it. So it'll work with both iPhone and Android as well, and you get up to 310 hours standby, 15 hours playby. Again, that might differ with different volumes and so on. It takes 4 hours to charge it, which is pretty long, but you have a big battery inside, and that's it. So let's get on to the sound test now and hear for yourself what it's like. So you can use your phone to change the track and skip tracks, and you can use the buttons on it as well. It's up to yourself. So you can see the passive radiators on the side there pumping away. So you can hear there's some super bass on this as well, and your buttons on the side which you can control the volume with. And you can skip and reverse tracks, you double tap. Or single tap, sorry. We're just going to move down on my track list there. Volume up and down. Right, we want to do the volume next. A single tap is the volume, and volume up is a single tap on the volume on the plus button. And if you hold it down, you can skip a track, and if you hold it down again on the bottom, you can reverse your track like so. And that's pretty much it. That's what it's going to sound like. That's what you're going to get. You know, really great sounding speaker, nice bass as well. And again, you can sit it that way, or you can sit it on its side, whichever suits yourself. I prefer to have it like this, but you can connect your phone to it, your computer, or whatever you want. That's Bluetooth capability and play music, and you can insert your USB drive. You can put it in a micro SD card, so you're not short on abilities to using this speaker. So that's it, pretty much it. It looks really cool. It's also great with the lights as well on the side. I think it really gives a bit of more, it gives you a bit more feeling to the music and vibe, and looks really well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next video, and stay tuned for more tech, techbuzzrun.com, where we go hands on with stuff and don't give you the stock image rubbish that you might see out there. And that's it. Thanks for watching.